Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the approval process for Santander Bank credit card application. So if you had recently applied for a credit card, you wish to know about the approval process for Santander Bank, you just have to follow the steps. The first thing is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now after you've applied, you should be able to receive a decision in anywhere from few minutes to a few days timeline vary. So if you get your credit card approved, you can expect your card by a week or by a month, and you should also be notified through an email regarding your credit card audio approval. So you just have to wait patiently until you get the card. If you're unable to get the card within 1 month, then you should definitely contact the customer support team, let them know about the issue, and you should be able to find the solution. So the approval process for sending the bank credit card application is just very simple. Make sure that you've provided correct or valid information, and your application should have been approved within no time. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.